Hi, good morning, children. My name is B. Bharati, working as CRT Social Studies from KGBV, Kuttur. Today, we will discussion about the lesson 12th chapter, Changing Cultural Tradition in Europe, 1300 to Changing Cultural Tradition in Europe, 1300 to 1800. We will discussion all these point. First one, the ancient medieval world in Europe. మధ్యయుగ ప్రపంచంలో యూరప్. సెకండ్ వన్ రినెసెన్స్ పునర్జీవనం. థర్డ్ వన్ ద రివైవల్ ఆఫ్ ఇటాలియన్ సిటీస్ ఇటలీ నగరాల పునరుద్ధరణ. ఫోర్త్ వన్ హ్యూమనిజం అండ్ యూనివర్సిటీస్ మానవతావాదము విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలు. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అండ్ రియలిజం కళాకారులు యథార్థవాదము. లియోనార్డో డావిన్సీ 1450 to 1519. సిక్స్త్ వన్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్ వాస్తుశిల్పాలు. సెవెంత్ వన్ ద ప్రింటింగ్ ప్రెస్ అచ్చు యంత్రం. ఎయిత్ వన్ ద న్యూ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఉమెన్ బీయింగ్ మానవ జీవుల సంబంధించిన కొత్త అవగాహన. నైన్త్ వన్ ద యాస్పిరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఉమెన్ మహిళలు ఆకాంక్షలు. టెన్త్ వన్ డిబేట్స్ విత్ ద క్రిస్టియానిటీ రిఫార్మేషన్ క్రైస్తవ మతంలో చర్చలు సంస్కరణలు. 12th వన్ ద 16th and 17th century ఏ టైమ్ లైన్ 17-18వ శతాబ్దంలో కాలాలు. 12th వన్ బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద మోడర్న్ సైన్స్ ఆధునిక విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్రం ఆరంభం. 13 ఎక్స్ప్లోరేషన్ ఆఫ్ సీ రూట్స్ సముద్ర మార్గాల అన్వేషణ. The ancient medieval world in Europe. During the ancient period, Europe was dominated by Roman Empire which controlled much of Europe, Turkey and Egypt for a long time. Great cities like Rome and Alexandria polished. The culture that had been developed in Greek and Rome, the sculptures, paintings, building as well as literature, philosophy and science was of a very high order, and the Roman Empire declined after 400 AD. There were no larger empire in the Western Europe. The cities too had declined and most people lived in villages. Trade was minimal. Europe come to be dominated by the social system called feudalism. Under feudalism, politically power was with large various landlords who controlled the villages and peasants. The peasants were mostly serfs who were bound to their lords and had to till the land of the lords, working in the workshop and also fight in the wars. They also had their own lands and sustained their family by working on them too. The lords were constantly at war with each other, and this created a lot of insecurity for the peasant. Culture of people come to be dominated by the Roman Catholic Church, which encouraged adherence to Catholic Christian faith. Disencouraged people from the thinking from themselves and asked them to be believed what was the priest told them. The great cultural achievement of the ancient period were forgotten and lost. The situation began to change after the 1300 AD. The peasants had begun to resist and fight against serfdom and control for the lords and the church. For example, there was a great revolt of the peasants in England in 1381, which ended serfdom in England. Periods in European history. Ancient period up to 400 AD. Medieval period 400 AD to 1300 AD. Early modern period 1300 to 1800 AD. Modern period 1800 to present. Renaissance. A new cultural movement began to develop in Europe. This is called Renaissance or rebirth. There is a vast amount of the material in European history from the 14th century. Document, printed books, paintings, sculptures, buildings, textiles. Much of this has been carefully preserved in arches, art gallery and museum in Europe and America. Historians study this to understanding what the happening and how and why the happened. From the 19th century, historians used the terms Renaissance to describe the cultural changes of this period. The historians too embraced the most was Swiss scholars. Jacob Burckhardt, 1880 to 97 of Switzerland. In 1816, he wrote a book called The Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy. The Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy and book never రాశారమ్మా Jacob Burckhardt, in which he called his readers' attention to literature, art, cultures and painting to tell the story of how the new humanist culture had followed in the Italian towns from the 14th to the 17th century. This culture is wrote as characterized by the new belief the man as an individually as capable of making his own decisions and developing his skill. He was a modern in the contrast to medieval man whose thinking had been controlled by the church. The revival of the Italian cities at the expense of the trade between the Byzantine Empire and the Islamic countries. The ports and the Italian coast revival from the 12th century as the Mongolia opened up to trade with the China and as trade with the Western European country also increased. Italian towns played a control role. They no longer saw themselves a parts of the powerful empire but as independent city-states. Two of these, Florence and Venice, were republics, and many others were court cities ruled by princes. One of the most urban cities was Venice, another the Geneva. They were different forms of the parts of the Europe. Clergy, number of the church, the priest, bishop, cardinal, and pope. Humanism and universities, Manavadavadamu and Visvavidyalayalu. The literature of the ancient Greeks had reflected in the interest in life. They had been vitally interested in the world in which they lived. Later students of the ancient Greek literature, they delta in the nature and interest of the man, were called humanists. They become interested in this world rather than in the future life as the scholars of the medieval age had been. Even things in nature, science and the art that affected man now was important to the humanist. In 1453, Constantinople was overthrown and the Turks or Ottoman Empire took the places of the Eastern Roman Empire. Many of the educated men who spoke Greek fled to Italian for the safety. Some of them brought their Greek books with them. This is increased interest among the Italian to the in the ancient Greek literature and language, so that became quite fashion in the Italian to know a little Greek. Humanism started in Italy but soon spread in the France, England and the Netherlands. University was established to teach new subject, law and religious. Educate man became interested. One of the greatest of these as the Dutchman Erasmus 1466 to 1536, they studied earnestly the New Testament in the original Greek and the writing of the early Greek Christianity. The criticized some of the belief of the church. It is said that belief of the church, it is the side that based on the superstition. It is book in his book Price of Pali. During the Renaissance, the humanist scholars acquired the book from the Arab and translated them into the Greek and Latin and studied them. Artist and realism. The humanist ideas extend to the art and art culture too. In the sphere of the visual arts like painting and sculptures, this took them from the realism. Artists also began to study remains of the Roman Catholic, their building sculptures, etc. The admiration of the figure of the perfectly proportioned man and woman's sculptures to a many century ago. Italian sculptors wanted to continue the tradition. In the 1416, Donatello 1386 to 1466 broke a new ground in it. Is a lifelike status. Artist constraints to be accurate as helped by the work of a scientist. The study bronze touches artist went to the laboratory of medical schools. Andreas Vesalius 15 and 14 to 64, Belgium, and professors of the medical at the University of Padua was the first to decide the human body. This was the beginning of the modern physiology. Art is enabled in nature. He who can extract it as it they more closely work abides by life in its form. So much the better it appear. No man shall even be able to make a beautiful figure out of his own imagination unless he was well started is mind by much of capping from life. Albert Dürer 1471 to 1528. This sketch by Dürer playing hands gives you a sense of Italian culture in the 16th century, and people were deeply religious but also has a sense of the confidence in the man's ability to achieve near perfection and the unravel of the mysteries of the world and the universe. Many artists like Leonardo da Vinci studied human anatomy so as to make their painting and the sculptures realistic. Painter found that knowledge of the geometry helped them understanding perspective and that they were nothing the changes qualities of light. Their pictures acquired three dominational qualities. Perspective a way of a displaying different things on the a painting so that he can feel the depth in the paintings. This is a down by showing object in the front was a larger and object behind a smaller. The statue the Pieta by Michelangelo depict Mary holding the body of Jesus. The use of the oil painting as a medium for a painting also give a greater richness of colors to painting them before in the colors and the designs of customs in many paintings. There is evidence of the influence of the China and Persia art. There's the anatomy, geometry, physics as well as a strong sense of the what was the beautiful gave a new qualities to Italian art, which was to be called realism and which continued till the 19th century. Leonardo da Vinci 1452-1519. Leonardo da Vinci had an amazing range of the interesting from botany and anatomy to mathematics and art. He painted the Mona Lisa on left and the Last Supper. One of his dreams was to be able to fly. He spent years observing birds, inflating and designing a flying machine. The signet is named Leonardo da Vinci display of experiment. The church to encourage the new arts. Pope and other leaders of the church commissioned a great artist like Michelangelo and Raphael that painted for them and also designing building to from the and even make a elaborate graves and memorial for them. The city of Roman revival in the spectators even in the 15th century. The Pope actively encouraged to the study of Roman history. They studied the ruins of olden Roman buildings to revival the old Roman style. It was used to tall pillars, arches and domes in the buildings. This inspired a new styles in the architectures. It was the actually a revival of the imperial Roman style now called Castle. Pope, healthy merchants and aristocrats employed architects over the familiar with the classical architecture. Peter's Square, Roman and the Basilica. The church and court in the front of it is designed by several artists including Michelangelo and Berin. This used many architectures idea from ancient Rome. Some individually work skilled equal as the painters, sculptors and artists. The most impressed the example in Michelangelo 1475-1564 immortalized by the selling the painted for the Pope in the Sistine Chapel. The sculptures called the Pieta and is designing from the dome of the Saint Peter's Church all in Rome. Filippo Brunelleschi 1337 to 1446. The architects who designed the spectacular domes of Florence had started his career as the speculators. Italian architects in the 16th century copy many features of the imperial Roman buildings. If peoples in other countries wanted to see paintings, sculptures and buildings of the great artists, they had to travel to Italy. But in the cases of the written words, what was the written in the Italian traveled to other countries? This was because of the greatest revelation of the 16th century, the mastery of the technology of printing. For this, Europeans were indebted to the other people, the Chinese who first developed paper and printing in the book. Earlier text extended in a few hundred written copies. In 1455, 150 copies of the Bible were printed in the workshop of Johannes Gutenberg 1400 to 1458. The German who made the first printing press earlier. A monk would have take the same amount of time to write out of the copy of Bible. New concept of human being. One of the future of the humanist culture was the weakening of the control of the religions over human life. Italians were strongly attached to the material, healthy, power and glory, but they were not necessarily irreligious. They considered the acquisition of power, healthy and bodily pressure was the disciplines and not something to be avoided. There was also concerns at this time in the God manners how one should be speak quality and dresses correctly, what skills a person of culture should learn. Humanism also impelled that the individual were capable of shaping the own lives through man's the other than the man pursuit of the power and money. This idea was closely tied to the belief that the human nature was the many-sided. Niccolo Machiavelli wrote a book, The Spirit of Laws and Politics, from the rulers of these times. He did not try to advise the rulers about the religious ideas from ruling, but now real politics function in society. He studied real human beings and their actual political life. The aspiration of the women. The new idea of individuality and citizenship excluded women. Men from aristocratic family dominated public life and were the decision makers in their families. They educated their son to take their places in family, business, or in public life, at times sending their young son to the join in the church. All their dowries were invested in the family business. Women generally had to say in the how their husband should run their business. Often marriages were the intended to the strengthen business alliance. In an adapted dowry could not be arranged daughters or the something sent to convicted live the life of run. Obviously, the public role of the women was limited by they were looked as keepers of the household. A few women were intellectually very critical and sensitive about the importance of womanist education, even though the study of literature promised and offered to reward of the women and no dignity. Even women how to seek and embrace though studied, wrote the Einstein Castile Pedalo 1465 to 1558. She was one of the handful women who questioned the idea that women were incapable of achieving the qualities of the humanist scholar. Pedal was known for the professing in Greek and Latin and was invited to Greek orientation at the University of Padua. Pedal writings brings into the focus the general records of the education in that age. She was one of the many instant women writers to Christianity, the Republic of creating high limited defense of the freedom that the favor the decisions of a man over those of women. Another the remarkable woman was the Marquess of Mantova, Isabella de Estova, 1474 to 1539. She ruled the state is her husband was absent, and the court of Mantova, a small state, was formed for it intellectually billions. Women's writings revolved this conversation that the should have economic power, property, and education to achieve and dignity identity in world dominated by man. Christianity, Reformation, trade and travel, military conquest and diplomatic contest linked Italian towns and courts with the walls behind. The new culture was the admiration and the imitated by the educated and the healthy. Very few of the new idea filtered down to the ordinary man who after all the could not real or right. You had seen earlier that the church had dominated by the religious and cultural life of people in the medieval times. In this process, it had become a very powerful and rich and also corruption. Humanist scholars began attacking his and questioning the needed for the precise world and it is an interpretation of the Christianity. In the 15th and early 16th century, many scholars in the universities North Europe and member of the church to her attacked to the humanist ideas. Linked the Italian colleagues, they focus on classical Greek and Roman texts along with the holy books of the Christianity. In the northern countries, the humanist number of the church Kabul and the Christian to persist religion in the way lead the down in the ancient test of their religion. Christians humanists like Thomas Monroe 1478 1535 in England, and Erasmus 1466 to 1536 in Holland felt that the church had become an institution marked by the greed, extorting many till from the ordinary people. Christians come to the religious from the printed translation of the Bible in local language that their religions did not permit such a practice. The 16th and 17th century, a timeline. 15 and 16, Thomas Monroe, Utopia, published. 16 and 17, Martin Luther writes the 95 theories. 15 and 22, Luther translated the Bible into German. 15 and 25, Prescient uprising to Germany. 15 and 43, Andreas Vesalius right and anatomy. 1559, Anglican Church established in England. It's the king and queen as it a head. 1569, Genesis Medarkar prepared the cylindrical maps of the earth. 1582, Gregorian calendars introduced by the Pope George XIII. 16 and 28, William Harvey linked the heart with the blood circulation. 1673, Academy of Science set up in the Paris. 1687, Isaac Newton's Principia Mathematica published. Martin Luther 1483 to 1546. In 1578, young German monk called Martin Luther launched a campaign against the Catholic Church and arranged that the person did not need a priest to establish contact with the God. The asked his followers to have completed the faith in God. For a faith, a long called guidance them the right life and entry into the heaven. This is a movement called the Protestant Reformation. Reformation led to the church in the Germany and Switzerland breaking their construction with the Pope and the Catholic Church. In Switzerland, Luthers were popularized by the Ulrich Zwingli 1484 to 1531 and later by the John Calvin 1564 backed up much in the Reformation at the greater popular appeal in the Townsville, the rural area in the Catholic Church managed to retain its influence. A major achievement of the Reformists as the translation of the Bible into the popular language of the people and printing large quantities and making them available to all people. Earlier Bible was only in Latin the ordinary people did not understand. The idea of Reformation took hold the many peoples in Germany, Holland, France and England. In all these countries, people with the diverse faith or interpretation of the Christianity emerged. Thus the monopoly of the Catholic Church was of the even broken. In Spain, Ignatius Loyola, in an attempt to combat Protestantism, set up the Society of Jesus in 1540. His followers were called Jesuits, whose the mission was to save the poor and the witness the knowledge of other culture. Beginning of the modern science. The medieval age had accepted as the authorities the knowledge of the past handed down from the former generation. Past men were not interested in the investigating the world in the which they lived. The few who are interested used to strong mixture of magic and superstition. But Roger Bacon was seriously reaches for a truth. He performed some experiment with the metals and the chemical and probably had a crude microscope the worked out the theory that suggested the practicals useful of many investments that were since been made of including steamship, automobiles and aeroplanes. Disputes Baron worked the two scientific speed did not develop until later in the Renaissance. Long after the Roger Bacon's Polish the astronomer Niccolò Copernicus 1473 to 1543 made use for the scientific it's the Ptolemy Nicola Copernicus 1473 to 1543 made use for the scientific method that built of an observatory from the each the Ptolemy studied the heavens. They considered that the old theory of the universe as the wrong. The theory taught by the Hellenistic geographer Ptolemy said that the earth is the center of the universe and the star, sun and planets revolve around it. Copernicus claimed that the earth is the one of the number of planets that revolves around the sun. Galileo 1564 to 1642, an Italian genius perfect a telescope that made it possible for him to see a ship 50 miles away as the clearly and throughout it while only 5 miles away. This is an instrument also available in the study of the astronomy. Galileo was a very popular and brilliant lecturer at the later. Discussing the theory of the Copernicus, he told his audience how he himself had seen the moons of the Jupiter and the revolution of the planets on it to axis. It is said that has left the tail between the tail he was headed to motor. But the earth does move. Galileo also discovered the certain law of a pendulums within the made it possible to develop more satisfied clocks. Exploration of sea route, Samudra Margal Anveshana. During the Renaissance, Europeans extended the theory limited knowledge of geography. There were several reasons of this. The compass and astrolabes is helped the soldiers the direction by they were improved so that they were more seaworthy. The more thoughtfully soldiers now double that they would not follow up the edge of the earth if they wanted to fare out into sea. Better maps were made for this guidance too. Constantinople fell into the hand of the Turks in 1453 and the trade routes between the eastern and eastern were closed. All these conditions stimulated the interest in the geography and the willingness something even and the eagerness to explore to the sea routes. The navigators of the Portuguese and Spain played on the important parts on the geographical explorations. Prince Henry, the navigator of the Portuguese, discovered the sea routes to extend coast of the Africa. Finally, Bartolomeu Diaz, Harry able to Portuguese navigators soldiers around the Cape of Good Hope at the southernmost point of the Africa. Vasco da Gama went around Africa and landed in the Calicut, India in 1498. India finally been reached by the sailings around the vast African continent. Christopher Columbus determined to find new route to the east. He believed that eastern soldiers of the Africa lay across the dark Atlantic, and so he set out the 3 small ships to get there. After the long, dangerous voyages, Columbus reached the land on the island on October 12, 1492. He thought he had reached the East Indies and called the navigators Indians. Amerigo Vespucci and Italian soldiers followed the Columbus. He confident that the New World discovered the America by Columbus was quite different from Asia. Ferdinand Magellan, a soldier of the Spain, made the voyages around the world with the help of the Spanish king Charles I. He across the Atlantic and around the southern tips of the Southern America and sailing through Strait, he reaches the Pacific Ocean and land at the island of the Philippines. This voyage was a great landmark in the history of the exploration of the sea routes. I am give you 3 questions for experiment there are. First one, how did printing of the Bible influence the idea about God and such? First one, how did the printing of the Bible influence the idea about God and such? Second one, which elements of Greek and Roman culture were a revival in the 14th and 15th centuries? Second one, which element of Greek and Roman culture were revival in the 14th and 15th centuries? Third one, why are the Italian towns the first to experience the idea of humanism? Third one, why were Italian towns the first to experience the idea of humanism? Prepare notes for this lesson. Okay children, thank you.